Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean, junk, cache, temporary files from your Windows PC. Alright, so I'm going to show you the steps, what you need to follow. First go to this PC. You can see my current space is 42.7. This is actually in kind of virtual Windows 11 and VMware, so it won't have that much junk. Just in case, I just want to show you. First you go to Window R, which is run, and type prefetch. Control A and Shift Delete. Okay, and then come back and Windows R, type temp. Again, continue. Control A to select all files, Shift Delete to delete all files, and skip if some files are in use. Just you can skip that because it won't be deleted because they are in use. Then again, Windows R. Now with the temp, just add percentage sign, pre and post percentage sign. Control A and Shift Delete. Same thing. Alright, while in use, skip it. That's it. So after doing these three steps, go to, select the drive, the system drive, and go to its properties. And now it is Windows 11, you won't find disk cleanup here. But if it's a Windows 10 and below, okay, then you will find disk cleanup here. So this is Windows 11. Let's say if we have Windows 10 or below, you find disk cleanup. You click on it. But in Windows 11, you have to type disk cleanup in search and run it. Now we have a C drive here. So now we have to click clean up system files. Okay, so I'm going to show you here. Let's close it because we don't have a disk cleanup in Windows 11 properties. So we search disk cleanup. Now we click disk clean up system files. Alright, now we select all the files. The next time you be open disk cleanup, the all files will be selected by default, but this is the first time, so we need to select all the files. So now see, I would be able to free up 438 MB of space. Anyway, press OK. It takes some time, depends on the size of the files which needs to be deleted, so let it take some time. All good, now it's done. Now we go to properties. Just right click on the empty space on the file explorer and go to the system protection. Okay, now on Windows 10 we can go to the properties. On the left side we can select system protection, and then but if it's a Windows 11, then we go to properties, we won't find the option system protection like that in Windows 10 and below. So we can find the option here, system protection in Windows 11. Click on it. Now in system protection we can see if the backup is on and off. By default it's on the real Windows, and it's a VMware, so it's off. Make sure it should be turned on, because if something went wrong you can restore to the earlier restore point. So make sure it's always turned on for the system drive. Okay, let's say it's turned on and we have some kind of automatic backup taken by the system. Let's say, let me create something for myself. Let's backup restore point. It usually sometimes 5 GB in space, 10 GB in space. It depends because system keeps on taking restore kind of point backup time to time. So now if I go and configure it, you can see I have used 3.63 MB, right? It's sometimes in GBs. It's done automatically by the system, but right now I just wanted to show you we usually delete it so we can save some space, and then we can create a restore point. Like after 1 month we delete the restores and create one restore point just for the backup. Let's say you don't want to do all these steps, because I know this is quite time taking, right? You have to do all the stuff. Anyway, I have created a small software. Just click run this software as an admin. Let's say we have a 22.3 GB of space available in Windows C, Windows 7 running in a VMware. I run my software, click yes. So I click clean. There you go. It will do all the stuff I showed you automatically. You don't need to do anything, just you have to press OK. That's it. Now it will do analyze, delete, whatever itself. Okay, so now you see this, just press OK over here. That's it. Now it will show you it has deleted the file, stuff in bytes, KB, MB, and GB. So we have cleaned up almost 9 GB. When we refresh it, you can see it's almost 31.4 GB available now. Before it was 22 GB. So hope you like this. Please do follow me and download my software. I will provide the link in the description. Do follow me, subscribe, press bell icon, whatever. See you in the next videos, guys. Have a good one. Take care.